Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. This video is just for those who have decided to learn iOS development but they have no idea where to start. So don't worry, this video is exactly what you need to start your adventure into iOS programming. In this video you will find 5 hand selected websites that will provide truly quality content for people who want to learn iOS development. The first and the best place to learn iOS development is Apple official documentation. Official documentation, official documentation have always outstanding quality. So, official Apple documentation has also an amazing quality content. If you are a newbie who wants to become an iOS developer, here you will find a great introduction to the programming language used in iOS programming. Just visit https developer.apple.com/swift. The second and the most preferred content to learn iOS development is Stanford University video lectures. If you prefer video content over text, check out this course by Stanford University. It's really amazing. In this course, you would learn iOS overview, basics of Xcode, MVC pattern, and many more. He is a brilliant teacher, and Stanford University is a great university publishing this content for free everyone. You can also watch this course on YouTube too, but this is highly recommended content to learn iOS development. The third website is to learn iOS development is AppKoda. This is by far my favorite site with step-by-step iOS programming tutorials. You will find their guides for many topics, making Apple Watch apps, notification widgets, language tips and tricks in app purchases, code data basics, and many more. All this shown step by step using understandable language, ideal for beginners. All of this shown step by step using understandable language. This is totally ideal for beginners. The fourth website is ravevenderlich.com, a classic one. It is probably the most known tutorial site in the iOS developer community because it's great. It's bigger than AppKoda and has more authors, more content, and use some internet memes in its articles. So just visit ravevenderlich.com. This is amazing site to learn iOS development. The fifth and the last is iOS Dev Weekly, weekly newsletter about iOS development, iOS news, dev tutorials, tools, design, and marketing articles. Everything that every iOS programmer needs. Just visit iOS Dev Weekly and subscribe to them. I already provide all links in the description. Go and check out. And if you have any query related to iOS development, you can ask me in the comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.